Joe, what do you think? Too heavy? You think we can get it? Or should we get the crane? Put it on your side, we can slide it down the ramp. All right. All right, it's this wood splitter. I didn't notice this when I didn't see it, but it's got a tree growing inside of it. This tree was like, yeah. So they had to cut the tree down just to get this wood splitter out. Seems somewhat ironic to me. It grew right around the thing. Yeah, this thing's heavy.
You have the ramp. Is there a ramp for it? Lift it. Try to roll it so we can get that tire on that ramp.
We're close to that angle.
Watch out, it's gonna come quick.
Is it?
Yeah, it's heavy. I don't want you to get hurt.
If I can move this over like 2 inches, because right now it's on the tire and it needs to be at least on the rim. Farmer strength. All right. Now can you pivot your side over?
Yeah, but it's gonna roll down as soon as it hits that ramp.
I will try to stop it.
That's perfect.
Keep on pivoting it over.
We good? I'm using this as like a brake.
It's coming down super fast, Joe.
It will.
Well,
Here it is.
future project. Perfect. So easy. So easy.